So you want to wear less makeup, probably as you get older. It's something I find mature women either want to wear less makeup or no makeup at all. Well, if you want to still look a little bit polished but not look like you're wearing too much makeup, this might be the technique for you. Let me show you. Now I'm just going to do it on half of my face so you can see the difference. Okay, so I've already got a primer on my face. It's a blurring primer. I always like to wear primer first, and then I'm going to do things a little bit different. Instead of layering up, I'm going to apply my makeup in zones, so we're not putting too much makeup on, and I'm going to use a medium to full coverage foundation but apply it very lightly. So start with bronzer. This is a liquid bronzer, and this is just going to give a little bit more definition. Let me put some in there as well to my face. So you can see I've put it under the cheekbone, blending it in. These liquid ones blend really nicely. A little bit at the top. I'm going to squeeze my brush and just give that little bit of depth in there in the eye socket. And where I always forget to do it, just there, to just lift the eye a little bit, because most of us have droopy hooded lids and that just lifts it a little bit. Okay, so that is, I've used a liquid bronzer there. So now I'm going to use a liquid blush. I know it looks a lot. Blend that up. I'm going to pop a little bit on my nose also. There we go. Now for my foundation. So let's give it a little bit of a shake. Hopefully this is a good light for you to see. I'm going to pop some on the back of my hand first. I think I might need to get a new one of those. And I'm going to use a smaller brush. It's not a foundation brush, it's actually a concealer brush. But it's good for getting into places. You'll see what I mean in a moment. I'm going to load up my brush. So I've been using this technique, this application technique, for a few weeks now, and I really like it. So I've loaded up my brush. I'm going to very lightly just put it where I need to. Got a little bit of a blemish there, so I would normally use a bit of concealer on that too. I'll bring that just on the inside of the eye. Patting gives you fuller coverage. And go around on the nose. I'm going to go around the nose, keeping the foundation towards the centre of the face. I'm going to go up underneath that contour that I put there. Pick up a little bit more. I'm always a little bit wary of putting too much on the brush because you can always add more, can't you? I'm just going to stipple that where I need more of coverage. Can you see I've got You can't see too much makeup, although you can see a little bit of difference, can't you? Just looks a little bit more polished. And a good place to pop it is just here on the highest part of the brow, and that just lifts the brow and the whole eye really. There we go. So that's just half of my face done. Subtle. Look made up, but not too made up. And you can just go around and blend in. There we go. So give that a try. Let me know if you try it. Use the products that you've got, but just use them lightly and use them in zones rather than layering up. Let me know how you get on.